Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video we will be talking about CloudConvert. For this, you have to go to this website called cloudconvert.com. This website is a file converter. It helps you to convert almost all kinds of files into various different formats that it actually supports. So, to get started, all you have to do is select a file. It can convert archive files from various formats to various formats. It can convert audio files, CAD files, documents, ebooks, images, pictures, videos, presentations, and everything that you need to convert. Well, you can also convert pictures from JPG to PNG or even convert pictures from images files to PDF files. Let me do a demo for you. So this is a file. This is a picture in JPG format, and it can also be converted into PDF as well as other image formats. So as you can see, it is in JPG format. I like to convert it to PNG format, so I'm gonna select PNG right from here. And also you can change some settings if you want to change the fit and feel of the image, change the quality. I actually recommend typing in 100 so you can get the maximum quality out of it. Hit OK, and also if you wanna multiple formats, simply apply all and all the settings will be changed. And hit convert and wait for this file to be converted. Now you can see this file is now in PNG format. This is a preview of that file, and you can hit download and your file will be downloaded on your computer. This is how you can convert your JPG image to a PNG image for free without downloading anything. This works online. So let's add some more files. Now I am going to convert this PNG format to, let's say I'm converted it into a PDF format. Let me change some settings. Settings are good. And now let's hit convert, and this will start converting that file, and now we get a PDF of that image file. Very nice. This is the preview, so I'm gonna hit download, and that PDF file is now downloaded onto my computer. Easy and for free. Well, you have to keep it in mind that some major conversions require you to pay for it, so there's that. Let me show you if it asks me to pay. Okay, now I am going to convert this PDF file into a, let's say I'm converting it into a PPTX format. This is a premium conversion type, which means you have to pay or buy a package in order to use this conversion type. Well, we are not going to do that in this video. So let's say I'm converting this image PDF file into a WebP file, which is kind of a image file for websites. So let's convert it. It has lots of options, like a ton of options. I did not even know that you can convert files into those types of formats. Well, you have to figure it out yourself. I am not going to show everything, but I am only just showing this demo. Now you can see this is the WebP file. It took some time, but it's now converted. Okay, this is the pricing options. Yep, this is not very expensive. It is typically very cheap, and also it is fair and flexible, which is the main thing. Anyway, let's see what other types of formats that we can use to convert. Okay, this works on latest Microsoft Office 2021 suite. Best suite. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's talk about its tools, shall we? You can convert lots of files. Also, you can optimize files, which is good. You can, if you have huge size of PDF files and you can want to compress it so you can send it via email, you can use that. Let me show you if it helps converting JPG formats. So I have selected the conversion type. Now let me just delete all those files. Let's select a file and compress it. Oh no, I wanted to compress it, so I'm gonna select that tools and compress JPG file. Now I am able to compress it. It will change the quality to 75%, which is good, not bad. Okay, I'm just gonna hit download, and the file size is now smaller. It says the file size is reduced by 29%. Let's make sure if it did or not. So the downloaded file is about this big and the original file is about this big, which means it technically did its job. It converted reduced by 29%. You can merge multiple PDFs, but I do not have PDFs to convert. And there are lots of options. You can explore them all on yourself, on your own. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.